Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable in-app notifications for group board updates on Pinterest with the latest update. Staying on top of your group boards is easier than ever, and with these simple steps, you'll never miss an important update again. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where you can manage all your settings. Next, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section controls how and when Pinterest alerts you about activity related to your account. Here, you'll find various notification settings to customize your experience. Under the Notifications menu, scroll down until you see the Social category. Within that, find the option labeled Group Board Updates. This is where you control notifications specifically for the group boards you're a part of. To make sure you receive updates directly within the app, toggle on the In-App option. This setting ensures that whenever someone adds a pin, comments, or makes any changes on your group boards, you'll get a notification right inside Pinterest. And that's it. By following these quick steps, you'll stay connected and engaged with your group boards without having to constantly check manually. It's a great way to keep your Pinterest experience smooth and organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!